So good morning children, class 9. In our previous class, we have learned about the business activities and the characteristics of business activities, right? So what is business activity? Business is an economic activity, as we can say that it involves the sale, transfer of exchange of goods and services with the purpose of earning money. And goods and services, what they provide us the satisfaction. They provide the satisfaction to the human wants rather than for the personal use. Okay, so now we are going to start with the classification of business activities. Okay, what is the classification? What are the types of business activities? Okay, so we will start today. We will discuss the classification of business activities, means the types of business activities. Okay, so I'm going to show you something and then we'll start. Yes, children. Okay, are you able to see this? Okay, okay, children. So, here we can see the classification of business activities. We can see, okay, so what are business activities? The business activities which involves the sale and exchange of goods and services for the purpose of earning money. Okay, so classification of business activities. Now, what are the classification of business activity? How many types of business activities are here? Okay, so business activities are mainly two types. Okay, they are mainly two types, that is industry and commerce. Okay, that is industry and commerce. First is industry. Industry is what? Industry is related to the manufacturing of goods. Industries, they are related to, they means they involves the production of goods. Okay, and the commerce is involved in the distribution of goods. Two things are there, the production and the distribution. So industry involved the production of goods, the industries means involve the production of goods, whereas commerce involve the distribution of goods. Okay, so this is our review only. With this, the help of this chart, I can explain you what are the types of business activities, and further I will explain you separately. Okay, so business activities are divided into two parts, that are industry and commerce. Okay, and then the industry involved the production of goods and the commerce involved the distribution of goods. Okay, now industry. Industry is divided in further three parts, that are primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry, or we can say service industries. Okay, primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. Primary industry, again, it is divided in two parts, that are extractive and genetic. Extractive industry and genetic industry. Okay, and secondary industries again also divided in two parts, that are manufacturing industry and construction industries. Okay, so business activities divided in two parts, that are industry and commerce. Industry is again divided into three parts, that are primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary industry is divided in two parts, that are extractive industry and genetic industry. And secondary industry is divided in two parts, that are manufacturing and construction. Okay, now move to the commerce. So commerce, that involves the distribution of goods. So commerce is divided in two parts, that are trade and auxiliaries to trade. Trade and auxiliaries to trade. Trade is again divided in two parts, that are home and foreign. Home trade and foreign trade. Okay, home trade. Home trade is again divided in two parts, that are wholesale trade and retail trade. Wholesale trade and retail trade. And foreign trade is again divided in three parts, that is import, export and intraport. Import, export and intraport. Auxiliaries to trade, they are further divided in six parts, that are transport, communication, warehousing, insurance, banking, finance and advertising. Okay, so now we can say that business activities are of two types, industry and commerce. Industry is divided in three parts, primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary is again divided in two parts, that are extractive and genetic. Secondary industry is divided in two parts, that are manufacturing and construction. And the third is tertiary. Then commerce is again divided in two parts, that are trade and auxiliaries to trade. We can say aids to trade. Trade is divided in two parts, that are home and foreign trade. Home trade is divided in two parts, that are wholesale and retail. Foreign, three parts, import, export, intraport. And auxiliaries to trades are transport, communication, warehousing, insurance, banking, financing, and advertising. Okay, so here this is our review only. This is a review that how the business activities are classified. Okay, now we'll move to the industry part. First, today we are going to discuss industry, and then in the next, after finishing industry, now we'll move to the commerce section. Okay, so let us start with the industry. So children, industry, as we know, that industries are of three parts. First is primary, second is secondary, and the third one is tertiary. So tertiary is not having any further classification. So first I will explain you that what are primary industry and what are secondary industry. Okay. So what are secondary industry? Primary and secondary industries. Primary industries. Primary industries are which industries which are involved in the extraction and multiplication of natural resources. First of all, industry means, what is industry means? Industry means, if we talk about industry, means that industry is means the production of products. The production of products with the help of human being and other resources. Industry is what? Industry means the production of products with the help of human being and other resources. It involves the application of men, machinery, materials, money. Okay, industry refers to the part of the business which produce the want satisfying goods produced by the industry, maybe capital goods, or we can say consumer goods. Capital goods what, and consumer goods what? Consumer goods, we can say the capital goods, that are machine, tools by which we produce goods to consume. Okay, we produce goods to consume. Okay, and the consumer goods are those goods which are directly consumed by the consumer, the customer. So the capital goods are the goods by which the consumer goods are being produced. Okay, so capital goods, we can say machinery, tools, the raw materials by which we produces the goods. And if we talk about consumer goods, that the goods which are directly consumed by the customers, that are consumer goods. Okay, that like book, toothpaste, bread, butter, all the things, these are the consumer goods. And whatever the machinery, raw materials, tools we are using to produce these goods, consumer goods, that are called capital goods. So industry is concerned with the process, extraction, multiplication, processing, conversion, fabrication and construction of the product, etc. Okay, so here the industry means is, I think, clear. Now the second point is what? The second point is primary industry is divided in two parts. That is extractive industry and genetic industry. What is genetic industry and what are extractive industries? In primary industries involves the extraction and multiplication of natural resources. Okay, industries which involve in the extraction and multiplication of natural resources, that are called primary industries. Oh, okay, and these industries are originally occupation of people, or these industries are the original occupation of the people. They provide raw material for the secondary industries. Who? Primary industry, they provide raw material to secondary industry. Okay, so primary industries are again two types, that are extractive industry and genetic industry. Now, what is genetic industry and what are extractive industries? The genetic industry, the term genetic means the heredity. As we all know, that's the genetic का क्या मतलब होगा? जैसे हम लोग जनरल लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं कि हमारा खानदानी है, what are the things, तो जेनेटिक अनुवांशिक, ठीक है, जो जनरेशन से जो चीज जुड़ी हुई है, that is genetic. So genetic, which refers to the study of heredity. Like, so genetic industry are therefore engaged in the reproduction or the multiplication of the certain things, like we can say the certain species of plants, animal, to earn profit from their sale. Like if we talk about examples of plant nurseries, poultry farms, cattle breeding farms, commercial kennels are the main example of genetic industry. So genetic industry is what? Genetic industry, the term genetic means it has been derived from the word heredity. Okay, which refers to the study of heredity. Genetic industry is therefore engaged in the reproduction or the multiplication of certain species of plants and animals. For what? To earn profit from their sale. Like plant, nursery, right? Poultry farms, which are the cattle breeding farms, which are all are animal husbandry. Okay, so genetic industry we came to know. Now the second is extractive industry. What are extractive industries? Extractive industries, these industries are engaged in the extraction of useful material from beneath the surface of the earth and sea. In these industries, the product gifted by the nature and extracted and collected from the benefit of human being. They are extracted from the nature, and then by agri we can say that whatever the things they are extracted and collected for the benefit of human being. Okay, so agriculture, mining, fishing, quarrying, forestry of, we can say that procuring the timber and wood products from the forest, and hunting, they are the main example of extractive industry. So extractive industry is what? Extractive industry extract the product from natural resources to consume. Okay, so extract means निकालना, जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है हमारे पास, सी हो गया, फॉरेस्ट हो गया, अर्थ हो गया, उनसे जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है उनको निकाल के, सरफेस से निकाल के, अर्थ से निकाल के, सी से निकाल के क्या करना, उन्हें यूज करना, राइट? सो दीज आर एग्रीकल्चर लाइक फार्मिंग, ओके, फिशिंग, सी से निकाल के फिशिंग जो है मछलियों का जो है वो जो बिजनेस किया जाता है, माइनिंग, क्वेरिंग, खनन, जैसे कोयले का खदान है, कोल माइंस, उनसे क्या होता है, कोयला निकाला जाता है, ठीक है? सो these are the examples of extractive industries. Okay, so now what are the primary industry and what are the extractive industry? It has been clear now. Okay, so if we talk about secondary industry, what are secondary industries? Children, secondary industry are the industries which are engaged in the conversion of the raw material provided by the primary industry. See, मान लीजिए हमें जो भी चीजें प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री से जो वो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज से एक्सट्रैक्ट करके या रिप्रोडक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन से बनाकर जो चीजें तैयार की जाती हैं, ठीक है, उनको यूज करके उन्हें प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट करना, right? So the industries which are engaged in the conversion of the material provided by the primary industry, that are called secondary industry. Okay, uses products made by the primary industry. Secondary industry क्या करते हैं? They uses the product made by the primary industry. Primary industry जो product बनाते हैं, either they are by the breeding or flora and the fauna, or we can say the multiplication and reproduction, and we can say they extract the products from the natural resources. Whatever the products they provide, they extract or they reproduce, they will be used by the secondary industry. Okay, so they use the product made by the primary industry. So secondary industry, the industries which are engaged in the conversion of the material provided by the primary industries, that are called secondary industry. Like the miner, see, if we talk about the example, so the mining of iron, और वी कैन से द कोल, दैट आर प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री. बट जब हम उसको लेके उसको किसी चीज में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, जैसे आयरन विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू स्टील, that will be called the secondary industry. Okay, so manufacturing and construction industry. The secondary industry is divided in two parts, that are manufacturing industry and construction industry. Okay, now what are manufacturing and what are construction? Manufacturing, if we talk about, so manufacturing, the industries are concerned with the processing or transformation of raw material and semi-finished product into finished products. These industries are manufacturing industries. Again, I'm repeating, the industries which are involved, the industries which are involved, concerned with the processing or transformation of the raw material and semi-finished goods products into finished goods, that are called in the manufacturing industry. And these are further classified by four types, that are analytical, assemble, synthetic, and process. Okay, so manufacturing industry, they creates the tangible products. Okay, they convert the raw material into goods, the finished goods which are ready to use, that are manufacturing industries. Okay, so these are the further classification, that are analytical, assembling, synthetic, and process. So first we'll move to the analytical. So if we are talking about manufacturing industry, there are following types, that are analytical manufacturing industry. In analytical manufacturing industry, a basic raw material is broken into several useful materials. जैसे if you talk about crude oil जैसे कच्चा तेल जो होता है, so in refinery, in an refined oil refinery, the crude oil is separated into many kind of oils or many kind of products, like it will be converted into kerosene, it will be converted into petrol, it will be converted into diesel, lubricating oils. So analytical manufacturing industry, this a basic raw material is broken into several useful materials, is analytical industry. Okay, now the second point is synthetical. The synthetical industry, the synthetical industry in the type of manufacturing industry. Okay, it's a type of manufacturing industry. Two or more materials are mixed to form a new product. In synthetical industries की अगर हम बात करें, तो in synthetical industry there are two or more than two products will be mixed and they convert it into a new product, like concrete, gypsum, and coal. When they are mixed together, they produce cement. Okay, for producing cement, it is means it is good to mean it is compulsory. Mean, yeah, how the cement will be made, that concrete, gypsum, and coal, whatever the things, they will mix together and they will produce cement. So what are synthetical industries? In this type of manufacturing industry, two or more materials will be mixed to form a new product. Now, if we talk about processing, the processing part, processing. So processing means in the processing industry, a material is processed through various stages. Like the material is processed through various stages and it will be converted into finished product. Okay. Like if we talk about uh, cotton. So cotton is passed through many things. Okay, cotton is passed through the spinning, weaving, dyeing, bleaching, printing, and then it will be processed to produce cloth. Okay, so what is the processing? So processing is the industry where a material is processed through various stages, like cotton, or we can say wool. Cotton is passed through very many things that are spinning, weaving, dyeing, bleaching, printing. Then it will be processed through, means produce the cloth. Okay. Now, if we talk about the assembling. So assembling, in this type of industry, manufactured components or parts are combined together. Okay. The components and the parts are combined together and mechanically or chemically to produce a new product. Like if we talk about radios, so manufacturing radios, TV, watches, automobiles, these all are assembling industry. They are means they are assembling the parts. They are assembling they are means adding the different parts, and after the assembling they are producing the further things. Okay, so in this type of industry, the analytical industry we talk about, so in this type of industry, manufactured components or parts are combined together mechanically or chemically to produce a new product. So manufacturing industry, they create some tangible products that are also classified analytical, assembling, synthetic and process. Okay, now if we talk about construction industry, so construction industries, these industries are engaged in the construction of building, bridges, dams, roads, etc. They utilize the products of manufacturing industries such as bricks, like the manufacturing industries, they are producing whatever the things they are producing, the construction industry, they used to use them. Okay, like if we are talk about bricks, steel, cement, so they used to use the products of manufacturing industry. Okay, so these are the are the many types of manufacturing industry, and construction, they uses the product of extractive and manufacturing industries to build. The industries which are involved in the construction of building, dams, they all are called they all are called construction industry. Okay, now the next is tertiary industry. So what are tertiary industries? The tertiary industries are concerned with the provision of services to facilitate and assist the primary and secondary industry. प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्रीज को सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए एक नई इंडस्ट्री होती है, तीसरी इंडस्ट्री होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सर्विस इंडस्ट्री, और यू कैन से द टर्चरी इंडस्ट्री. Okay, so tertiary industry, the industry are concerned with the provision of service to facilitate and assist the primary and secondary industries. Like if we talk about transportation, right? Warehousing, insurance, banking, advertisement, packing. These are the examples of services provided by the tertiary industry. These industries are collectively known as service sector. Okay, they provide the intangible products, or they provide the services to primary and secondary industry. Okay, so this was the classification of industry. Okay, children. Now if we talk about the classification of primary, secondary, tertiary, there are many types of industry we can classify. These industries, primary, they extract the raw material directly from the earth or sea. Secondary, the industry is processed and manufacture products from raw materials. And the tertiary, these industries provide the services. Okay, so primary industries that take raw material from the environment, usually located where resources are found. Resources are found: farming, forestry, fishing and mining. Okay, like camel breeding, and we can say the nursery. These are genetic industries, extractive industries, fishing, farming. Secondary, it includes the activities which involve the transformation of raw material into finished goods, right? Like manufacturing, the refineries where the oil is refined and it will be separated into many products. Construction industries, that making the building, dams. Okay. The tertiary sector of economy is the service industry. This sector provides the services to general population and to businessmen. Okay, activities which are associated with the sector, they include retail and wholesale, transportation, distribution, entertainment, restaurant, clerical services, media, tourism, insurance, banking, healthcare, and laws. Okay, so hopefully children, this you have understood properly. Thank you.